This is a short tutorial showing you how to create a link in your Google slide that will take a student directly to the assignment in Canvas. So the first thing you need to do is go to your slide and create a text or image entry to link. So that's your first step. Okay. Then you go to your Canvas course, click on the assignments area from the navigation, click on the journal entry, which is the assignment I want to link. I'm going to copy that URL. You can either hit Control C or highlight, right click and Control V. You go back to your planner and you highlight the text or image. You click insert link. You could hit Control V and then you click apply. So it's now ready. So now I'm going to go back into Canvas and go to the home page to show you what this looks like. So I've already embedded the slideshow into Canvas, and I'll add a link to the tutorial on embedding a slide in Canvas to the description of this YouTube. But I go right here, and then I'm going to go there, and I see the entry is ready to go. And I just click there, and it takes me to the slideshow. Now, if I'm a student, and I do this, let's just go back to home and go to my pages and view all pages because I put it in a different place, not on my there. I'm going to go to student view and I'm going to go to Monday. And if I click right there, it goes to my example right there. So this will take the student directly to the Canvas assignment from the Google slide. No need for them to go to modules, no need them to go to assignments. It eliminates at least 2 clicks each time you do that. If you have any questions, of course, please submit a training request through the ClassLink app.